I can't wait to go on this vacation. Isn't that right, Grandpa? Wow, you're so funny. Over here. Whoa, it's so nice here. It's so cool. So amazing. I love the cars. Isn't that right, Grant? Where did he go? Well, but anyways, I'm going to have fun out insert place here. Wow, I'm having so much fun swimming in the sand. I feel only pain and suffering in my eyes. Wow, I love how I covered myself somehow. I sure do love swimming in sand. It's time to go swimming. I'm cold. I'm never doing that again. Wow, that's so much fun. Where am I? Where am I? I'm scared. I don't know where I am. I think I'm just gonna have to start shelter here. It's been 5 months. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm lost next to cars. Right now I'm gonna have to start making friends. Wait, a shell? Hi, Shell. Wanna be friends? Okay, come with me. I can't wait to be best friends. What should we do first? Let's have some leaf dirt salad. Delicious. Delicious. Oh, what's it? No, cart. No, cart! Oh wait, the car stopped chasing me. Stop chasing. Oh. Well, that was worthless. It's been 3 years. I've lost my hat. My only friend is Shell. And I don't even know why I'm speaking to myself. Fishing for food is very sad. There haven't been fish since 35 years ago. Did I catch anything? What did I just catch? Wait, what's that? What is this that I just caught? Wait, it's a person. Hi, person. What's your name? Oh, your name's Piece of Wood? That's cool. Wait, what? No! And I guess I'm gonna just have to go and walk around and find a new friend. the whatever this water's called side. I wish I had my friend Shell. Wait right there, young man. Red Angry Bird from the Angry Birds franchise and the Angry Birds movies and the Angry Birds Slingshot games and the Angry Birds Pop games and the Angry Birds Candy Crush games and the Angry Birds... Yes, okay. I just came to tell you about that man you met earlier. Yeah, what was wrong with him? He threw my friend in the ocean. Let me tell you the story of that man. One day I was fishing with my friends. Then I felt I caught something. I pulled it out. I brought it back out to the land, and it started dancing. And then it started flying and took me into the ocean. That's how I ended up here. That sounds terrible. So I'm telling you, we have to defeat that piece of wood. I'll do it. I've came to defeat you, piece.
Hey folks, viewer mail time again. Oh, here's one from
Galactic.
Dear Pig, Aren't you interrupting the story at the most suspenseful part? Well, the answer is yes,
Galactic.
Silly. Yes, I am. Keep those cards and letters coming.
Hi. Yes, I did. Wait, what? You came after 5 years? What do you mean it's been 5 minutes?
Hours.
What have I been doing? I've been stopping evil. Yeah, the evil piece of wood that guy was talking to me about. Well, I guess it's ready to go home. Wait, where's my hat? Oh. That was really unfun. I never want to do that again.